center. Let's check out what they have, guys. Look at these. These are solar stakes, guys. These are absolutely beautiful. Look at them. They're $6.97 for those. So you have them in that kind, this kind right here. Isn't that gorgeous? Then you have this kind right here. Okay. And that's pretty much the design on that side. You have these for $12.97. You have the Home Sweet Home chimes. Yeah, this one says flowers, and these are the regular wind chimes, guys. And look at this. I'm loving that. So those are the wind chimes. And like I said, they're all $12.97. This one here has the owl. This one here has the butterfly. And then this one here has the hummingbird. The terracotta pots and the bigger pots in plastic. Then here they have these ceramic ones. And I think those are, I'm not sure what, I think those are $12.87. And this part right here is pretty nice looking. And look at this one. This is the cactus one for $8.97. You have the white ones up there for $5. And here they go up close. And these here, this one here is $14.84, and the smaller one is $8.84. Then you have these right here, guys, for $11.97, and this big one right here for $16.96. The bigger ones down there, the green one over there is $22.88, and this one over here is $24.97. So here are the galvanized metal. So the galvanized metal ones, guys, those are $5.96. Then you have this. What is this? This is a planter. Okay, that's unusual. Look how that looks, guys. So that's $18.94. Then you have that kind of planter. These are all for outdoors for $22.86. And then the bottom one there is $17.97. So I'm liking these. Aren't these pretty, guys? I really like those. Those are $12.97. And these are the concrete bowls. $14.97. And I'm absolutely loving these planters, guys, right here. I don't see a label. Then you have these planters right here. The bigger one is $9.97. The smaller one is $2.24. Then you have these planters right here. So the bigger one is $19.88, and this one is $6.94. These stakes here are 97 cents, which actually is cheaper than your Dollar Tree. And then you have these. I'm kind of liking those, $2.44. Then you have these right here, and those are $3.47. And these are pretty nice. I like those. Those are $3.96 each. So you have this kind right here, $3.96, and then you have these stakes here. And let me show you them up close. Those are 97 cents. So guys, what are these? This is like, this is a light up ball. $9.96. That was rolled back. $9.96. You have that style and you have this style. These are nice though. This one is a peacock. That's pretty, and that's a butterfly. $14.84. Then you have these color changing orbs for $12.67. So there they go there. That's the real big one down there. I'm loving this lantern. Look at this, guys. Isn't that pretty? So that's $19.88. Look at these. These right here are $12.88. The white ones. And these black ones right here. Well, this is the smaller one, so I think that's $6.97. And then that one, this one right here, is $8.67. So here's some string lights for outside, for outdoors. That's really nice. And I'm loving these plant stands, guys. Look at this. I love these plant stands. $12.97, and they are in black in a different shape. This one here comes with the galvanized metal table, plant holder, with the stand, right? The galvanized plant stand So it comes with the plant stand. And then this one here is in wood. So the wood one is $22.97, and then the galvanized metal one is $24.97. Come over here. Look at this, guys. These are nice. $9.92. And then look at this. These are so cute. Galvanized metal stand. Plant stand for $5.92. These are just some brackets. And look at this. Isn't that adorable, this tray? $4.95. And then here's the cork mats. That's $1.74. And more of these wind chimes over here. $9.97. These are the kind they have. These are real pretty. Guys, these are real pretty. And this one, okay, $9.97. Tabletop fire pit. Isn't that nice? $64, guys. This is what that looks like. I like this. That's nice for a small space. You have some barbecue stuff. So they even put the spices over here and the pans on the bottom. And here are the barbecuing utensils for outside. And they range in price, guys. So look at that. They have the skewers. Okay, these are regular skewers though, but they have this grilling set, 4-piece grilling set for $14.97. And then each of the tools individually have a different price. And those are the prices up there. And you have the cleaning tools, and then you have the gloves. Okay, and then these are the spices they have set up over here with it. So I think that's pretty much it, guys, as far as these tools, guys, because there's a lot of people in here. So I'm just going to go ahead and move over to a different spot. Thank you so much for coming with me to Walmart and checking out their lawn and garden department. Okay. Oh, look at this, guys. The watering cans, galvanized metal. Let's see what they are. So these bottom ones are $17.97. These right here, aren't they pretty? Actually, they're all the same size. So that's pretty neat, guys. So thank you so much for coming with me to Walmart and checking out their garden center. And I'll see you in a new video.